Have you ever experienced your boat lights dimming or your electric pump struggling when it should be running strong? Electrical issues on a boat can range from minor annoyances to serious safety hazards. Properly sizing your marine wire is one of the most critical steps to prevent these problems. Choosing the correct marine wire size is essential for ensuring both the safety and optimal performance of your boat's electrical system. The right wire prevents overheating, minimizes voltage drop, and reduces the risk of electrical failures. It ensures all your equipment receives the power it needs to function reliably, protecting your investment and letting you enjoy your time on the water without unexpected failures. The core reason wire size matters comes down to electrical resistance. Every wire has some resistance, and as electricity flows through it, this resistance generates heat and causes a drop in voltage. If a wire is too small for the amount of current it carries or the distance it covers, it will have too much resistance. This leads to excessive heat, which can melt insulation and cause failures, and significant voltage drop, meaning less power reaches your devices. Thicker wires, indicated by a lower American wire gauge, or a WG number, have less resistance and can safely carry more current over longer distances. To choose the correct marine wire size, you will need two key pieces of information. First, determine the total current, or amperage, that the electrical device will draw. You can usually find this in the device's manual or on its label. Second, measure the total length of the wire run, which includes the distance from the power source to the device and back again to the common ground. With these two numbers, you can then consult a marine wire gauge chart, often based on American Boat and Yacht Council, or a BYC, standards. These charts will recommend the appropriate wire size to limit voltage drop to an acceptable level, typically 3% for critical circuits like navigation lights and 10% for non-critical circuits like cabin lights. For instance, when you are looking at a wire gauge chart, you will notice that the length of the run significantly impacts the required wire size. A device drawing 10 amperes over a 20-foot round trip might need a 14-gauge wire, while the same device over a 50-foot round trip would likely requiring a 10-gauge wire. Always use marine-grade wire, which features tinned copper strands to resist corrosion in the harsh marine environment, a crucial detail for longevity and safety. Another insider tip is to always round up to the next larger wire size if you are between two recommendations on a chart or if you anticipate adding more accessories in the future. This provides an extra margin of safety and performance. By correctly sizing your marine electrical wires, you are proactively protecting your boat from potential electrical failures, ensuring your lights stay bright, your pumps run efficiently, and your electronics operate without interruption. This attention to detail not only extends the lifespan of your electrical components but also significantly enhances your safety and enjoyment aboard, giving you peace of mind on every voyage.